croeso i'r stream. Tio fflec o hwnna. Oce. Ie, os rwy'n yn gwachad, dwi'n gwybod ti'ch sain yn swnio'n iawn. Dwi bod yn chwarae efo noise gate a felly efo llais fi. Mae'r green bar. Do, di torri gwallt machine yn y shed. She mynd am government sanctioned meal efo teulu fi cos dwi'n byw ben yn hun. Dwi'n cael cyfarfod teulu fi. So, nath ym mrawd torri fo cos dwi'n mwyn gwybod pryd fydd y barbar ar agor nesa na. So, na, si am y serious, si mynd am y long run. Dwi'n edrych yn sal. Ie. Di brofio mae llawer o cneifio fel ti'n gweld e. Ond oedd ydych yn mynd yn fler. Ie. Ie, dwi'n newid dod allan o'r Matrix, mae o'n absolutely ddim yna, ond gobeithio fod wedi tyfu'n stylish yn erbyn yr sgol efo. Yn erbyn 2022. Iawn. Dwi wedi decidio chwarae Mortal Kombat ar y Genesis a hwn oedd gyda fi pryd o'n i'n tyfu fyny. Mortal Kombat ar y Genesis. Dwi'n mynd cofio fe edrych mor drwg. Ia, ni'n mynd hwnna fyd, ond it looks pixelated as hell, ne. Ond anyway, perseverio. Dwi am neud rheol newydd hefyd. Dwi am trio chwarae... Pa bynnag gêm di chwarae, dwi am trio chwarae fo a controller agosa i'r peth. So, dwi ddim yn iwsio arcade stick heddiw. Dwi'n iwsio official Sega 6 button. So, dwi'n meddwl sy'n cheat os dwi'n iwsio arcade stick i bob dim. Dwi'n meddwl, bach a challenge yn hwn, dwi'n meddwl. So, dwi'n iwsio 6 button a... So, for instance, pryd dwi efo SNES, dwi'n iwsio'r 8-bit do SNES. A os dwi'n chwarae rhywbeth ar yr N64, mi fydda i yn defnyddio hwnna neu'r hori. So, dwi'n meddwl, just iwsio arcade stick yn cheap, so, iawn. Nath hwn defaultio'n easy, dwi'n trio medium. Dwi ond yn cael 6 credit, so dwi'n rili gobeithio allai fynd yn bell yn hwn. Dwi'n cael 6 credit. Iawn. So, dwi Calon yn dweud Scorpion ond dwi'n mynd am Raiden i gychwyn. O diolch. Ie, Chris y Pope, so dwi'n gweithio. Faint o hwn dwi'n cofio. Hey, Q-Streams, dach chi o'n hwnna? God, mae hwn yn edrych yn awful, ydy, yr version Genesis. Oedd yr un Super Nintendo mor ddrwg ar hyn, ti'n mwyn? Dwi'n gwybod y fatalities. So, dwi'n mynd ar arcade, dwi dal yn mynd am 50 pence o go. Dwi ddim yn dda iawn yn Mortal Kombat. Oh, come on. Oh. Ah, come on. Diolch am yr... Diolch am hynna. Morgan. Oh, come on. Efo... Momentum di... Mortal Kombat. A hefyd dwi'n hofio fod y block button. O, bydd hwn llawn cheese, by the way. Sgwyd ddim skill yn Mortal Kombat. Mae o yn mater o... O na, sgwynnu fi. So faint o pobl yn y chat oedd efo home version o Mortal Kombat 1. Dwi wastad yn meddwl na Mortal Kombat 2 oedd yr un oedd yn mor ban y fyd e. Yn rhan reit ar o. Oh my god. Ie, mae'r cadwriaeth yn... Dwi'n licio'r music Genesis, ond ie. Dwi'n meddwl hwn oedd efo'r gwaed, de. Ah! Ah, come on. Get over here. Nah! Nah! 50 pence. Dwi'n sticio efo'r Eden, dwi'n meddwl. F, ie. Dwi'n meddwl so Mortal Kombat ar yr NES. Dwi'n meddwl yr SNES, de. Ah, come on, y diawl. Yr un thing embarrassing I fi ydi, o gynna fi hwn, ac o gynna fi gêm yn o Shaq Fu, So dwi'n meddwl mae'n cael ei ystyried yn y games. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Fatality. Dwi'n off yn y fatalities. Ond ie, o gynnu fi hwn, o gynnu fi Shaq Fu, a nes i chwarae lot bod y Shaq Fu nes i chwarae hwn. Sy'n sbio nôl reit embarrassing. Ah! Okay, okay. Get in there, get in there. Ah, come on. Fatality. Ti'n meddwl go hwyl i dda, yma? So I'm gonna cheese it. Yeah, Poi Toasty Mortal Kombat 2 oedd hwnna. Sef un y programmers game oedd o. Ah. So cofio iawn, oedd nhw'n neud o a meddwl fod sef o'n rili anodd cael, a nath nhw programio mewn ffordd weird so oedd o'n rili hawdd cael. Ah! Yeah. Top level play, remember? So yeah, I'm not above it. I'm not above it. Nice cheatio. Snach hanner gem. Snach hanner gem. Oh, yo. Ah! Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. So I could have called it loop yma. Ah! Oh, I don't go pen on it. Ah! $13.50. Beth sy'n hwn yn anodd ydy 6 god dwi'n cael. I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it. Oh. Oh, come on! Dwi isio 3. That's how the cookie crumbles. Fi 3 continue ar ôl I wneud 2 mirror match. 3 mirror match. Oh, dos yma fyna. Woo! Oh my god. I'm looking at. Fatality. Fatality. So shit to the na ddau arall. Ooh.
Fight.
Attention, man. Attention, man.
Fight. Finish him. Excellent. Fight. 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 Get over here. Finish him. Fight. Fight. Finish him.
Dwi'n fod yn ôl o'n gobeithio. Os gallu clywed fi. Ww, na. Ie, dwi'n ôl wan. Gobeithio dwi'n ôl. Game over, oh my god. Ie, nes i hitio'r... Dwi'n nhw'n peth mwyaf sturdy. Iawn, ydw i yn sticio fo'r Genesis version ta dwi'n switcher SNES version? Byddai fe un spin arall ar y Genesis ta'n mynd am y SNES. So beth dwi'n mynd un spin arall ar y... SNES, iawn, oce. Iawn. Wel, wel... Dwi'n meddwl, oedd y SNES version ddim yn oedd y SNES version yn crap oherwydd oedd am gwaed, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl rhan gameplay felly, fod yn reit debyg de. Dwi'n meddwl y D-pad yna ddim yn fighter friendly chwaith. Iawn, SNES, back on SNES. Ond yn hanesyddol, yr un Genesis Mortal Kombat 1 di'r gorau oherwydd mae'n y gwaed yn efo. Yn cofyn iawn. Isn't sure, but Wel, mae sgrin yma lot gwell. So sgrin allu dechrau trash. Hand to hand. Be? Weapons? Yn y weapons yn y version? Dwi wedi dewis yr un iawn. Ai, Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat. Dwi ddim yn cofio weapons yn hwn. X, Y. Maybe. Y. Yeah. Gweithio mae'r un moves. Iawn, medium. Button config. Block. High. Oh na, ddim siarad fel dwi siarad. High kick fod yn hwnna. Low kick. High punch. Low punch. Okay. Q-streams gwn i weld os di'r os di'n dda. Ooh.
Johnny Cage wins. Fight.
Dwi'm yn gwybod os dwi'n gwybod os dwi'n teimlo wahanol. Ta teimlo mwy shit, dwi'm yn gwybod. O, nath hwnna'n gwrando ar...
Johnny Cage wins. Raiden
Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Mae'r un Genesis efo mwy... yn slofach, dwi'n meddwl. Come on!
Johnny Cage wins. Excellent. Excellent. Raiden wins.
Dwi'n meddwl gwybod os dwi'n licio'r fersiwn yma. Dwi'n meddwl oherwydd dwi wedi arfer gymaint efo'r fersiwn.
Raiden wins.
Dwi'n mynd gofyn mynd y bell yn y fersiwn yma de. Dwi'n methu abusio'r
Wins.
yr un lle mae o'n jumpio dros sgrin yn hwn chwaith.
Raiden wins.
Dwi'n meddwl i fi actually cwffio yn yr un yma. Conflicting feelings am hynna.
Kano wins.
Rhaid yn ôl. I'm going back. Oedd yr excursion ac ystod pint i fi. Be na i... Fatha forfeit Morgan ydi... O na, byddai chwarae Street... Dwi'n chwarae... Mae gen i version specific o Street Fighter 2 dwi eisiau chwarae. Dwi'n chwarae Street Fighter 2 ar y Fight Cade. So version arcade. So dwi'n chwarae Super Street Fighter 2 X Grandmaster Champion Edition. So hwnna fydd yr un yna. Ond... Be na i de, fatha forfeit i chdi de. Ar ôl i fi orffan Mortal Kombat 1 ar y Genesis, gei di ddewis gêm cwffio fi ar gyfer y SNES, as long as dy ddim yn Street Fighter. So, os eisiau fi chwarae Clay Fighter neu beth fel la, na i neud. No questions asked. Na i neud. Na i chwarae the Clay Fighter neu Shaq Fu neu Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Power Rangers. So, math yna games. Neu spin, a ni. Si holl o'n ofis i lle Mortal Kombat. Iawn. Dwi'n feeling man. Dwi wedi cael relax o'n fan. Dwi'n tam hyn digwydd dda. Iawn. Na hwn i Clay Fighters. After first match, always fight on pit stage. Unlimited continues to come down. Ooh. So dwi'n cael skipio rest o'r dwi'n cael skipio dwi wedi dangos dwi wedi gallu neud o do. Gai fynd syth i goro. Ydy hynny'n acceptable i'r chat? Cos dwi wedi neud bob un arall do. Dwi wedi neud y matches i gyd a dwi wedi neud yr endurances i gyd. So na reid cwpwliadau i'r chat dal i fyny. Os o rhywun yn erbyn fi yn syth i goro. Dwi'n meddwl fod yn acceptable de. So be? Ia. Iawn, syth i goro. Gweithio mae sheets mae'n gweithio. Felly siarad. Ideal, dwi'n cyrraedd goro, let's go. O, sy'n hoffi na. Un o ddo. O, sy'n hoffi na goro. Oh my god. The damage. Damage. Game over. Put him down. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Ah, to så martial. Go to hell. Shang Tsung. Geef me maar gauw. Chimchitsa gebol. Oh, so. This victory comes as no surprise to him. He was never impressed by Shang Tsung's inferior sorcery, but his brute force or the challenge of the other contestants. He quickly became bored with his mortal competition, soon invites other gods to participate in the contest. The ensuing battles rage on for years. Deal. Done. Another one on the list. So rei pobl yn dweud is i teachio, is i twyllo'n diwedd cwestiwn, ond dwi ddim yn o'r pobl yna. Dwi'n meddwl is i legit ennill hwnna. Is i legit neu hwnna. So, un arall i'r list. Is i legit ennill hwnna. Is i ennill bob un round. In my defense, is i ennill pob. Iawn. Dwi'n fyny 17 quid ddo. Iawn. Dwi angen gêm cwffio SNES rwan. Mae'n anodd ydy Clay Fighter, Morgan. Ydy yn rhywbeth y llai orffan. Balls 3D, what game. Na? O iawn, oce. Yn tricky. Be dwi'n meddwl am Clay Fighter Tournament Edition? Ydw i pa un dwi isio? Clay Fighter Tournament Edition. Clay Fighter Tournament Edition is an updated version of the original Clay Fighter, exclusively for Super Nintendo. Presented as an exclusive rental-only deal. Iawn, okay, so just Clay Fighter. Oh yeah, just... Nah, won't be doing that. Yeah. Tournament Fighter, du sure? Iawn, okay. Iawn, dwi wedi agor FAQ i fyny. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n rhaid i chwarae hwn yn iawn, dwi'n meddwl. Purple Meteor. Purple.
Come on, baby.
What the hell? Biffa. Fydr i'n gwylio de yna?
Shut up! Sorry. From the top.
Oh. Brutal. Brutal. Medium kick. Quick. Okay. Iawn, pwy dwi angen dewis o yma? What? Likes color, hates wimps, wants fights, job flexing, motto destroy. Blob. The Blob. Likes clay, hates hair, wants clay, job claymaker, motto bounce. Blue Sway Goo hates Helga, wants guitar, job musician, motto oh baby. Ichabod Clay likes night, hates day, wants night, job fright, motto run. Oh, hi di Helga. Pwy sy'n cysau Helga? Okay. Helga. Likes food. Hates salad. Wants cookies. Job singer. Motto eat. Bonker. Likes pies. Hates crying. Wants buzzers. Job cloning. Motto play. Iawn, Blob. Okay. Dwi'n mynd am y Blob stats. Mae gynnu fi wiki yma. Down. Autos. Opponent. T and P. Blob. Iawn, okay, Bob. Wish me luck. Dwi'n mynd moveless though, dwi'n mynd rili'n gwybod beth yw. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. The Blob versus Helga. Finish him! Double KO! Cut in half! You couldn't get much closer than that. The Blob wins the battle.
Okay.
Cut in half!
Be di'r thing KO ar top o bol? Os yna fatha special moves dwi'n gallu neud?
Finish him! The Blob wins the battle.
Allai weld hwn yn tricky. Ac yn sticky. Cos dwi'n blob.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. The Blob versus Ichabod Clay. Time out.
Ti'n beth dwi'n newid sylwi? Dwi'n wedi newid y bygyn enw'r gêm ar y thing na ddo. Uned. Dwi'n newid hwnna. Play fighter. Iddo. Sorry, okay, nawr i hwnna. Ni hollol yn hofio newid yr pa gêm i chwe. Ooh.
Ichabod Clay wins the battle. Now that was a fight to remember. Ichabod Clay wins the battle.
$17.50.
gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. The Blob versus Ichabod Quay. Cut in half. You couldn't get much closer than that. Ichabod Quay wins the battle. Cut in half. Cut in half. Cut in half. You couldn't get
Oh, come on.
Ichabod Quay wins the battle.
Lekker kort. Weet ik niet, ja. Bad Mr. Frost. E. Down, towards, okay.
Here are the combatants for this
Towards,
extravaganza.
down towards.
Bad Mr. Frosty versus Ichabod Quay. Finisher. Ichabod Quay wins the battle.
Dwi'n gwybod lle mae'n hitio fi. Big armed. Beef for the... Stop here!
Ichabod Quay wins the battle.
We gaan nu de waren, dat gewoon. Wat infuriating. Oké, maar. Absoluut infuriating.
Ladies and gentlemen, here
Iawn, oce.
Mr. Frosty versus Ichabod Quay.
O, to są...
Wow, now that was a matchup. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins
Just in here.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Yeah, getting there. £18.50. Dollar. Oh,
Ladies and
okay.
gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Kathy. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
A dwi wedi ffindio ffordd o cheesio gen yma.
Wow, now
Ah!
matchup. Kathy wins the battle.
Take ydy fight like a coward. Cadw o. Champion, champion. That's it.
You couldn't get much closer than that.
Oof.
Mr. Frosty.
When in doubt, cheese your way out. Oh shit. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr.
Cyclones. Do absolutely cyclones.
Bunker. Finish him. Now that was a fight to remember. Bunker wins the battle.
Okay, dwi'n heiddi na. Dwi'n heiddi na am chwarae fatha cachwch.
Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm nobody's fool.
Zip. Oh shit.
Finish him. Wow, now that
Yes!
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Dwi eisiau goffan gêm ma cyn gyntaf allai, cos dwi'n licio fo. Wrestler, be di wrestler?
Here are the combatants
So draig o'na.
extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty
Wow!
Tiny.
Oh shit.
Wow, now that was a matchup. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm nobody's fool.
Let's go. Dwi apply a science i'r boi ma.
Finish him.
Playing the game. Ah, dos yma.
Feeling flat. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm applying the science.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Wow.
the combatants for this extravaganza.
Look at that background.
Mr. Frosty versus Blue Suede 2.
Hey, what's the hair, man? Hey, what's the hair, man? Yeah. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Hey, what's the hair, man?
Ah.
Wins the battle.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hey, what's the hair, man? Oh, mama. Oh, mama.
Uh, Come.
Hey, what's the hair, man? Oh, mama. Hey, what's the hair? What's the hair, man? Mama. Don't be cool now.
Oh, dos yma.
Hey, what's the hair, man? Mama.
Wow, now that was a matchup. Blue Suede Goo wins the battle.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Blue Suede 2.
Oh, mama. Hey, what's the hair, man? Hey, what's the hair, man? Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Hey, what's the hair, man? Oh, mama.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm nobody's fool. Hey, what's the hair, man? Hey, what's the hair, man? Hey, what's the hair? What's the hair, man? Oh, mama.
Oh, no.
You couldn't get much closer than that. Blue Suede Goo wins the battle.
Thank you very much. Hey, what's the hair, man? Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Hey, what's the hair, man? 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 Mama. Don't be cool, man. Hey, what's the hair,
I'd be
man?
embarrassed to lose that one. Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm Mr. Frosty, man.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Taffy.
here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Taffy. You couldn't get much closer than that. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Pro fighting techniques. Pro fighter, mama.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Bad, I'm cool, I'm nobody's fool. Oh my god, to Peter Ath.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bad Mr. Frosty. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
That was a bit cheap. That was a bit cheap.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Yeah.
Finish him. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Ddim yn canolbwyntio hwnna. My bad, my bad.
and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bad Mr. Frosty. You couldn't get much closer than that. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one but fool.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one but fool.
20 quid. 20 quid. 20 bloody quid.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza.
Extravaganza.
Versus Bad Mr. Frosty.
Du kunde.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one but fool.
You couldn't get much closer than that.
Oh, come on.
Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one but fool.
Finish him. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Diwedd.
I'm no one but fool.
Bad and cool and no one's fool.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus the Blob. Finish him. Cut in half. Cut in half.
Oh, come on.
What a comeback. The Blob wins the battle.
Fix. Fix.
Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Ja, de. Yeah man, either yn flat out hamro chdi, neu mae'n glitch yn y gongol. Oh. Ti'n mynd i... Wow!
The Blob wins the battle.
Ti'n mynd cael ei neud yn byd am hwnna? Diolch am gwylio Morgan. Dwi am sticio tan dwi'n gorffen hwn dwi'n meddwl. Ie. Dyfaru gofyn i chdi pa gêm ti fi chwarae. So ma hwn yn pile of trash. Ond... Diolch yn fawr. Rhaid i gorffen o. Enjoy'r Queen's Gambit.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
So gorffen hwn reit handi efo pob bynnag sy'n rôl, dwi jyst ddim di chwarae Tetris dwi'n meddwl. Os dwi eisiau palette cleanser all y gem yma. O, na. Beth?
Finish him. Wow, now
Ah.
the matchup. The Blob wins the battle.
Ooh.
Now that was a fight to remember. The Blob wins the battle.
Dwi'n sticio fo Bad Mr Frosty. Roedd o'n costio shit yn y bres i fi.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus the Blob. Finish him. Now that was a fight to remember. Bad Mr. Frosty wins the
Top level play yna.
I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Bad Mr. Frosty.
Woo!
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
gentlemen, here are the combatants for the Texas
Ie, dwi'n coffein yn y barod o.
Bad Mr. Frosty
Dwi'n lycus am y boi ma'n edrych.
Finish him! Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
I'm bad, I'm cool, I'm no one's fool.
Ysbryd gwyn ba? Ooh.
What a close one! Bad Mr. Frosty
Top level tech. Top level tech. Dwi'n hwndio dwytha.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the
Bonker.
combatants for this extravaganza.
Oh, crap.
Mr. Frosty versus Bonker. Finish him! Bonker wins the battle. I told you I'd win.
Mae'n mynd trwy'r cyn. O, na.
Finish him! Bonker wins the battle. I told you I'd win.
O, mae'n sôl yn le arall o cymeriadau fan oes.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bonker. What a close one! Bonker wins the battle. I told you I'd win. What a close one! Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Wins the battle.
I'm no one's fool.
Belgium. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Nath o ddeud sy'n ennill. Nath o ddeud hynna. Dwi'n cofio o ddeud hynna.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bunker. Wow, now that was a matchup. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Oh my god.
Feeling flat. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Okay. Okay. Fucking clone, man.
Gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bunker. Feeling flat. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Feeling flat. I'd be embarrassed to lose that one. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Dwi eisiau stopio chwarae gêm a ond rhai off yno. If it's the last thing I do on this green earth,
Ladies and
I will kick the shit
for this
out of Bunker.
Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bunker. Feeling flat. to remember. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Fucking bunker, fuck.
Bad Mr. Frosty wins the battle.
Give me strength.
Now that was a fight to remember. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
O'n i'n rili meddwl ni wedi cael bunker yna. Get in there, get in there. Get in there for the last thing I do. Just yn gwybod fan y fucking bit arall fydd. Yn y fucking gwlad na.
Here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bunker. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Os di rhywun yn y chat efo unrhyw tips, croeso chi.
You couldn't get much closer than that. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Fucking casau bunker.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza.
Extravaganza.
Bunker. Cut in half. Finish him. Bunker.
Oh, come on.
Told you I'd win.
Cut in half. battle.
I told you I'd win.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bad Mr. Frosty versus Bunker. Finish him, Bunker.
Fucking hell.
Told you I'd win.
Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Your moves are fucking bunker, man. Fuck the moves, man. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Bunker versus Bunker.
Sucker.
Feeling flat? Feeling flat? Feeling flat?
Fucking hell.
Wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Kathy versus Bunker. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Fuck on the move now. Pan mae'n teimlo oedd eisiau ennill, mae jyst yn...
Wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza. Tiny versus Bunker. Finish him. Bunker wins the battle.
I told you I'd win.
What a close one. Tiny wins the battle. What a
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, man, actively cheatio wan. Dwi'n meddwl bod Tiny wedi ffordd ymlaen o fyd.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the combatants for this extravaganza.
Extravaganza.
Bunker. Wow, now that was a matchup.
Woo!
Wins the battle. Tiny wins the
Oh, fucking diwedd. Fuck you, Bunker. of course, yna un ar ôl.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The boss.
combatant for this extravaganza.
Beefar.
Tiny wins the battle.
Okay.
Tiny wins the battle.
Wow. Oedd hwnna'n weirdly hawdd. Yes! Ideal. So chdi, so fi un gêm arall. Pa un gêm arall gwffio allan ni, sydyn. Un gêm gwffio. Yna dda. Si cheesio fo allan yn diwedd. God, oedd hwnna'n awful. Oedd hwnna'n absolutely awful. Just gonna fi... There you go. So geith hwn ar y list. Clay Fighter Tournament Edition. Bang. It's gonna be un gêm arall. Nice. Capcom is SNK. That's doable. Doable though. Tai Clay Fighter there. The Clay Fighter. Dwi'n gallu newid stwff yma heb i o ffwcio fyny. Stream. Let's have a gander. Extend these displays. Ooh. No. Do like that. Do like that. Do like that. hwn yn mynd i gallu gweld. O, camera fi di mynd. Beth ffwcs digwydd. Dwi'n mynd i off yn y stream o fanna, actually, cos mae camera fi'n ei weithio. Diolch i pob at gwylio. A wyla i chi tro nesa. Diolch yn fawr, Craig, a diolch i pob arall yn gwachod. Diolch yn fawr.